aglow. Sun's riding high and the birds sing loud. Got dirt on my knees and I'm country proud. 'Cause summer grows wild in my little plot. Strawberries bursting, sweet and hot. Seeds I saved from seasons past, growing strong and growing fast. The breeze is dancing through the roads. Where summer grows wild, that's where I go. Mason jars stacked in a wooden crate, holding all the goods I cultivate. Picking in the morning, jam by noon, humming with the cicadas tune. This land, these hands, this sunny mile, they all come alive in a country style. Yes, summer grows wild, no fence can hold these strawberry dreams and marigold. From seed to bloom and bloom to bite, it's porch swing days and firefly nights. Ooh, sweet red in my hand. Ooh, barefoot in the land. Got a song in my soul and a harvest plan. Just me and the earth and the sun.